Tonight I'm making some beef and broccoli, and I'm going to use 2 bags of the freeze-dried beef. The first bag is thin sliced raw tri-tip. And the second bag is a bag of raw steaks that I'll cut into thin pieces before rehydrating and cooking. I'm going to rehydrate the beef slices in the marinating container from my FoodSaver. After a minor mishap with a bag of raw eggs that I gave away, I've been more careful about putting the raw label on the bags of raw food that need to be cooked. The dry steaks are very easy to cut into thin pieces. I put all the sliced meat into the marinade container that came with the FoodSaver. I pour about 4 cups of beef broth over the slices. I push all the slices under the liquid to make sure that they all get wet. I put the cover on, then attached the little vacuum hose from the FoodSaver. I turn it on to remove the air from inside the meat so the liquid can go in. At least that's my theory. You can see it bubble as it pulls the air out of the meat. While that's marinating, I cut the broccoli into the sizes I want, saving the little offcuts for the chickens. After a few minutes, I open the marinating container and let the pressure push the liquid into the meat. It seems well rehydrated and ready to cook. I heat the pan and add some oil.
Okay.
When that's good and hot, I add the rehydrated meat. I put too much in all at once, so it's more of a boil than a stir fry, but the flavor comes out great. I added a bit of salt and pepper to the meat and a splash of soy sauce. With the meat cooked, I add the broccoli and season with just a bit more salt and pepper. I cover the pan to cook the broccoli. As soon as the broccoli is cooked, which just takes a minute or two, I thicken the sauce with a couple tablespoons of cornstarch mixed in with beef broth. I mix that in well, and then it's time to serve. It can be served over rice or noodles or just plain in a bowl.